Dati po, ang tawag ko dito is money. Di ba? Yung tipong galit ka sa boss mo, nawalan ka ng kumpiyansa sa kumpanya, abay, iiwan ko na kayo. Hello mga ka-RFF, I hope you're all healthy and doing well. The topic that I have today is one that I have mentioned in my recent talks. At alam nyo po, ang daming interesado, ang daming nagtatanong. And that's the reason why I prepared this video to share it with almost everyone. It's about an emancipation fund. Now, kakaiba po ito. Hindi ito typical retirement fund. Kasi ang retirement fund, obviously, you'll get it upon retirement. Alam niyo po, kaya tinawag ko siyang emancipation fund. It's because it's freedom fund. You can actually have it even before you really retire. Siyempre po, ang target naman natin sa mga retirement, di ba? Mga age 60 or 65. But an emancipation fund can give you the freedom to really retire or do anything you want at a very early age. It can be 45, 50. Ang importante, kung nakapaghanda ka ng maaga at nakapaghanda ka ng tama. Totoo po yan. Can you imagine if you just have a fund stashed away, separate from your work, separate from your business, ito po'y talagang nakahiwalay, nakalagay sa isang very safe instrument, usually a government bond or a AAA corporate issued bond na nagbibigay ng ample na interest rate at yan po pwedeng buwan-buwan or quarterly i-release sa inyo. So ano ibig sabihin? Para tayong sumusweldo. Para tayong sumusweldo kasi naka-establish yung fund, kumikita siya, hindi nababawasan ng principal at tuloy-tuloy ang pagbigay sa iyo nung tinatawag na monthly stipend. Now, ito po ang katotohanan. You know, emancipation funds are created exactly for freedom. Alam niyo po, medyo close na lang ako kay Brother Bo, kaya naging emancipation fund. Dati po, ang tawag ko dito is money. Di ba? Yung tipong galit ka sa boss mo, nawalan ka ng kumpiyansa sa kumpanya, abay, iiwan ko na kayo. Kasi, hindi ka nakatali sa trabaho. Pag umalis ka, may magpapasweldo sa'yo. Itong FU money or emancipation fund ang magbibigay ng sweldo mo. Now, what does that mean? You can still continue working. You can probably work, but you work because you want to, not because you have to. Kasi po, may dumadating na pera na kinalculate nyo na tama na para sa pantustos ng inyong gastusin. So, anything that you earn outside it is gravy. So, can you just imagine? Pwede na kayo ngayong gumawa ng kahit anong gusto nyong bagay. Go back to your hobbies. Work at an advocacy. Kasi hindi mo kailangan ng pera. And I'll tell you, once you're in that level, you even do better because you're gonna be doing something that you love and something that you're gonna be happy and jumping out of bed every morning to do. Pero ito pa po ang isang katotohanan. Kahit na-establish na natin ang Emancipation Fund at tayo'y pwede nang kumita ng tinatawag na target monthly stipend, minsan po, hindi naman talaga tayo nagre-retire eh. Alam nyo, sa akin, sa aming mag-asawa, naka-establish yung Emancipation Fund very early. Pero syempre, enjoy naman kami sa ginagawa namin. Tuloy-tuloy lang, hindi namin siya kinuna ng interest at siya ay nag-accumulate. So ngayon, makikita nyo na yung fund lumaki na at malaki na ang ibibigay na stipend kung kailangan namin. And let us be frank about it, syempre after a number of years or more than a decade, nag-iba na rin ang lifestyle natin, medyo tumaas na rin. So kailangan mataas-taas na rin yung stipend na ibibigay nitong Emancipation Fund. So let me go back to the basics. Ano po ba talaga ang definition nitong Emancipation Fund? It is cash or funds set aside to get to a level of earnings at a given time na makakatustos dun sa target nating gastusin. So, it's not a one-time, big-time amount. It is something that we build up over time, maybe quarterly or monthly while we're earning money in our businesses and in our jobs. Pero may target tayong date. It can be when you're 50, when you're 60 or 65. At pagdating nung tamang panahon na yon, it establishes a targeted amount of money that gives forth a stipend that matches your needs. Pero maganda po ito, lagyan natin ng amounts. For example, happy ka na ba sa 50,000 a month? Kung matutustusan mo ang gastusin mo sa 50,000 a month, at sinasabi natin, kunyari, 40 years old ka. So you have 25 years to build this up. Pero kailangan, pag nag-age 65 ka, assumptions, merong interest rate dyan, merong amounts dyan, ito po, maglalaro ito. Different folks, different strokes. Ito po ay tailor fit. Pero in this particular presentation, I will be making generalizations. So dapat po, by the time you hit 65, dapat may kulang-kulang 9 million kayo. Kasi yung 9 million, pag nilagay natin sa isang 10-year, 15-year bond, that's relatively risk-free. Kung makakakuha tayo ng 6.5%, ay kikita po yan ng 50,000 a month. So, yung safe na funds, kumikita nung sweldo mong 50,000 a month, bahala ka kung gusto mo magtrabaho, at maghanap ng iba pang pagkikitaan. Pero may 50,000 a month ka. What does that mean as well? So, if you're 40 to 65, may 25 years kang i-build up yung 9 million na yon. So, pwedeng sabihin ng marami, ang bigat pala eh. 40 years old ako. 9 million? Wala akong 9 million, Rex eh. Pero alam mo, that's the power of compounding. That is the power of discipline. Kasi 25 years pa nga eh. Alam nyo ba, sa halagang 3,500 to 5,000 a month, mabibuild up nyo yung 9 million na yan. Which means, from 7,000 to 10,000, 100,000 ang stipend. Kasi yung 9 million, magiging 18 million eh. And I'm not even saying it's a static amount. Maring pag nag-umpisa ka, 1,000 lang, 2,000 lang buwan-buwan. Habang tumataas ang sweldo mo, tumataas ang kita mo, tinataasan mo rin ang contribution mo dun sa iyong emancipation fund. So, later on, it can be 5,000, 7,000. Magpapang-abot po yan. Basta ang target, kung gusto mo ng 50,000, 9 million. Estimates po yan ha. Pag gusto mo ng 100,000, 18 million. Pag gusto mo ng 250,000, aabot po ng higit sa 43 million. So, matching po ito. But ang importante, ano ba ang kaya mo ngayon? Tapos i-track natin para magkaroon ka ng emancipation fund. Whether you need it or not. Yan po ang pinakamaganda. Whether you need it or not. Kasi when you need it, it's going to be there. If you don't, then you add on to it and continuously earn money and work. Tell you all the advantages of this. The advantages of establishing an emancipation fund for yourself and for your loved ones. Advantage number 1. Establishing an emancipation fund actually links you up to an effective plan to put money at work. Natatandaan nyo, lagi kong sinasabi to, 3 ang yugto ng buhay financially. Man at work, man and money at work, money at work. Ang establishment po ng Emancipation Fund, nandun sa second level na man and money at work. We're still working, but we're setting aside money to work for us. Yan po. At pagdating ng panahon na kailangan nyo na, nandun na tayo sa money at work. Yung Emancipation Fund is effectively money at work. Yan. Di ba? Para po tayo ay makapag-enjoy ng buhay, para tayo ay hindi na magtrabaho kung ayaw natin, kasi ang magpapasweldo sa atin, yung fund mismo. So, ito po ang magandang diskarte doon sa 3 stages na yon. Karamihan po ng Pilipino kasi laging stuck doon sa man at work. So many people work their entire lives. Lalo na po ang ating mga kaibigang OFW, kumusta po kayo? Pero minsan po masakit yan. Nagtatrabaho tayo pero dahil wala tayong naitatabi, magtatrabaho po tayo kahit lampas na sa ating edad, lampas na sa ating pinlano na mawalay tayo sa ating mga pamilya. Kaya sa inyo po, napaka-importante nitong Emancipation Fund. Hopefully, you set it aside very early so that you can go home to your family. At yung Emancipation Fund na ngayon ang magpapasweldo sa inyo. Siyempre po, for any OFW, ang target mo naman talaga ay makapag-ipon para sa mga pangarap mo. Pero ang importante, gawan mo rin ng paraan para maka-establish ka ng ganitong fund para naman makauwi ka at makasama mo ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. Advantage number 2. This emancipation fund, the proceeds of which is on top of all the pensions, retirement, and other sources of income you might have on that particular time. Kung meron ka mang SSS pension, kung meron ka mang retirement galing sa kumpanya mo, hiwalay po ito. So nakakadagdag pa ang mga bagay na yan. So in which case, you can live a life of freedom of choice. Kasi po kumikita kayo ng tama at hindi kayo dependent on any other person. The other important advantage or advantage number 3 is the fact that the principal is never touched. Alam niyo po, minsan may mga funds na kukunan natin ng interest, tapos yung interest kulang, babawas tayo sa principal. So ano nangyayari? At a certain point in time, nadideplete. At pag na-deplete po yan, anong ibig sabihin? Kailangan magtrabaho tayo uli, kailangan mag-ipon tayo uli, kailangan kumita tayo uli. Ang concept po ng Emancipation Fund, yung interest na makukuha mo, sapat sa gastusin mo. Which means, the principal is secure, it will never be touched, and it will just be the earnings that you will be needing. So, darating po ang panahon, at sa tamang yugto ng inyong buhay, syempre, ipapasa natin yan sa ating mga tagapagmana. Makukuha nila ang principal dahil kinailangan natin yung buwan-buwan na kita niya. Hindi natin hihipuin ang principal na pinanggagalingan ng interest. So which means, all throughout your life, ay secure kayo sa inyong kinikita. Lastly, and most important advantage, is the fact that you can live your life with independence. Independence, absolute freedom. And I'll tell you, it is very different if you have this level of independence in your life. It will give you happiness, it will give you peace of mind, it will give you the opportunity to live life in your own terms. Ang bigat po nun. Wala kang kailangang alalayan na boss at kailangang pasayahing boss kasi hindi mo na kailangan ng trabaho eh. Kung talagang hate mo yung ginagawa mo at ayaw mo yung kumpanyang yan, you can walk away anytime. You are not dependent on them. You can do what you want because you don't have to earn the income. Ang malaking bagay po dito, pwede nating gawin ang ating mga gusto. Balikan ang mga bagay na na-miss natin nung tayo'y nagtatrabaho at nagpapalaki ng mga bata. Ano ba ang mga hilig nyo na inyong hindi na-eksperyensya dahil talagang nagtatrabaho kayo para sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay? This time, because of an emancipation fund and a secure cash flow that's necessary, pwede po nating balikan at gawin ang ating mga bagay na gustong gawin in our lifetime. Ang laking bagay po niyan. This life of independence and freedom of choice. We will not be dependent also on loved ones. Kasi po, tuloy ang inyong pagkita. So, pagtanda natin, hindi tayo kailangang manghingi, hindi tayo kailangang tulungan. Kung tumulong sila, yes, well and good. Pero dahil tayo'y may tinatanggap, baka tayo pa po ang makatulong sa iba. You know, financial wellness means security and freedom of choice, not just today, but in the future. Ang establishment po ng Emancipation Fund is all about freedom of choice for the future. Kaya po, kung ako sa inyo, dapat pag-isipan nyo, kailan na natin uumpisahan ito. And like I told you, we at Ramper Financials, we are all about simple steps in wealth creation. Hindi namin kayo sasabihan na kailangan ganitong kalaki, kailangan magbigay ka ng ganyan. Hindi po. Unti-unti ito. We will handhold each other in our journey to that track towards financial security and prosperity. Realistic po ito. And that's the reason why I say, we have clients that are normal folk. Normal folk po yan. Teacher sa public school, bus driver, they are on their way to become millionaires and they are on their way to financial freedom of choice at that time they want it for themselves. So, here's to you and to the establishment of the discipline that creates an emancipation fund for yourself at a time when you will need it. Ito po si Rex Mendoza ng Ramper Financials. And again, I wish you all the very best. Blessings always.